Hi everyone, welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Rohit and I'm part of OnceHub support team. Today in this tutorial, we're going to learn about how we can offer scheduled meetings using a booking calendar in a routing form interaction. But first, let's understand the use case. Let's say I work for a hiring agency and we hire commercial drivers. And before I offer them a chance to schedule a meeting with me to discuss their experience and skills, I would like to qualify them based on the fact that they should own a Class A commercial license and should be willing to work for more than 20 hours per week for our agency. If they meet these parameters, they can go ahead and schedule a meeting. Otherwise, they should be routed to an end of the interaction message. To do this, to set up the qualifying questions and route them based on their respective answers, I can either use a chatbot or a routing form, as both platforms provide this option. But for this demo, I'll be using routing forms as my preferred way of communication. So let's see how we can set that up. Once we log into a OneSub account, we'll land on the home page. We'll click on the routing forms option on the left to access the routing forms lobby. Once we are in the lobby, we can select the relevant routing form. In this preset routing form, you can see that I'm asking qualifying questions in interaction 2 and interaction 3. And I have set the routing interactions in a way that if they answer class A, then they would be routed to the next interaction. Otherwise, they will go to the not qualified drivers interaction. Similarly, if they answer more than 20 hours, then they would be routed to the scheduled meeting interaction. Otherwise, to the not qualified end of interaction. Let me quickly show you. This is the not qualified end of the interaction. So to offer the scheduled meeting, I would like to go ahead and add the booking calendars option by going to the add interaction menu on the right. I can simply drag and drop this interaction after the interaction 4, or I can do that from here as well under the actions menu. So I'll simply go ahead and drag and drop the interaction, quickly provide an internal label, select a relevant booking calendar using which I would like to offer the scheduled meeting. We'll go ahead and save the changes. Now I can offer my routing form either as a standalone routing form or I can go ahead and embed it on a website. I'll need to click on Embed Designer, copy the code and paste it on my website to have it embedded. But for this demo, we are using the standalone version. I'll quickly go ahead and test the conversation. I'll type in the email. Select Class A as the license, more than 20 hours. Confirm that I would like to go ahead and schedule the meeting. Type my first name as Mark, second name as meeting. I'll be prompted for a time zone. I'll continue with United States Eastern Time. Select 11th August, 10 a.m. as my meeting time. I'll go ahead and confirm the details. Here, my meeting has been booked and a meeting confirmation has been sent to the email that I used previously. And now I'm at the end of the interaction. So that's it. That's how you can simply offer scheduled meetings using a booking calendar in a routing form. If you have any concern or any queries, please feel free to reach out to us at support@onesub.com and we'll be happy to answer that for you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.